Naghahanap ako ng mga taong gustong lumaki yung income niya this year, lalo na if you wanna double your income this year, you might want to be part of our company dito sa AIA. Sa team namin, ito sa Starbright. Right? Hindi kailangan ng may sales experience. Kung may sales experience or wala, may investment knowledge or wala, ang mas mahalaga yung commitment mo, yung drive mo, yung mga pangarap mo. Being a financial advisor, being a life planner dito sa AIA, ang isang major requirement, dapat malaki yung mga pangarap. Kasi, syempre, hindi madali mag-educate ng mga tao, hindi madali mag-convince ng mga tao na kailangan nilang i-manage yung finances nila. Hindi lang bumili ng insurance, manage your finances, go for the long term habang ina-enjoy ang short term. Alright? And then, through the process, matututo ka, mag-grow ka, matuturuan mong mag-invest yung sarili mo, bumili ng insurance, maybe different properties. In our team, we also teach that, mag-invest sa stock market, all these things. Alright? Matututo ka, mag-grow ka, you can be able to prepare for your future, make sure that you also protect your family, you also are concerned about health insurance, education plan ng anak or would-be kids, be preparing for your retirement. Yun, willing kang matuto dapat at willing kang magturo. Of course, there will be rejections. Not everyone will say yes to you. But if you have big dreams, if you want to grow your income, if you feel you're deserving for more, more than what you're earning right now, you're making right now. If gusto mo mag-travel, gusto mo madagdagan yung income mo, gusto mo habang nakakatulong ka sa ibang tao, I'm inviting you to be part of our team. Message mo lang ako if you're interested, and then let's set up a meeting kahit via Zoom muna, and then let's take the next steps. Of course, you have to undergo training, merong exam, may regular training, tapos syempre, of course, you have to sell to people. That's part of it. We will discuss whatever your questions are, i-address natin yan. Let's have an exploratory meeting, and let's see if you are a right fit dito sa business na to. Walang pilitan, but let's explore muna. So message mo ako.